good morning, good morning. Ako si Doc John Shaw, walang utang OFW. Now guys, I am here in my farm now. This is my farm. I just harvested all the palkata, no? We have the palkata. This is not the palkata, guys. You know this one, this is going to be made, exported and made as a plywood or paper, no? So these are the products of my farm, no? I just clean it with burn it, and then we don't put it in, you know, those non-palkata trees there. We are going to make kaingir, you know. Kaingir is making a charcoal base, no? So this is my very nice, very big, guys. If you want to order palkata, just right. Ha 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 ha.